Hello, good people. Today I want to show you how you can easily find your desired domain name to start your business or online business. Most often it is seen that when we want to buy a domain, we don't get it. It is always unavailable, and to choose the desired domain becomes very difficult for us. So today I am going to show you how you can easily find your desired domains with minimum effort and short time. So as you see in my display, dynabot.com. I'm here on this site dynabot.com. So when you come to this website, first from the menu go to domain and then suggestion tool. Now domain suggestion tool page has opened. Now let's say I want to create a website on PlayStation. So I want to see if playstation.com is available or not. I am searching. Dynabot is suggesting that playstation.com is not available, but it is also suggesting us that if we add these prefixes or these suffixes with our keyword, we may get our desired domain. As you see, these prefixes are in black color, which means if we use this prefix, we may not get our desired domain. It means these prefixes and suffixes are already used and sold. So only available prefix here is super PlayStation, super, cheap, big. So let's check cheap PlayStation, what it says. As you see, cheapplaystation.com is available. Okay, so now let's say we want to add suffix. We don't want any prefix in front of our keyword PlayStation. So suffix, available suffix here is PlayStation Tube, PlayStation 3D, PlayStation Factory, PlayStation Outlet, hosting site, PlayStation site, PlayStation Outlet. So it says that site is available. So if we choose this, playstationsite.com is also available. So I hope by now you already know how you can choose your desired domain name by simply adding prefix and suffix that is already suggested by dynabot.com. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.